Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Why did my Outlook calendar colors suddenly change? This is a common question, and there are a few main reasons for this visual shift. Most often, the change is connected to your event categories. Every category in Outlook has a specific color assigned to it. If you, or perhaps your IT administrator, recently updated any category names or altered their associated colors, then all your categorized calendar events will instantly reflect these new hues. Another very common culprit is a modification to your main calendar's default color setting. Outlook lets you choose an overall default color for each individual calendar you manage. If this setting was accidentally changed, perhaps with a misclick, or if a recent software update reset your preferences, your events might suddenly appear in a different shade. Major Outlook updates or even Windows operating system updates can sometimes introduce subtle visual adjustments, including new default color palettes or themes. If you manage multiple calendars, such as a personal one and a separate work calendar, remember that each calendar maintains its own distinct color scheme. Overlapping events from different calendars could also make colors seem different. Finally, always check for conditional formatting rules. These are custom rules you might have created to automatically color events based on specific criteria, like who sent the meeting invite or certain keywords in the subject line. If these rules were modified, disabled, or new ones were added, your calendar's display would adjust accordingly. To resolve this, first investigate your event categories and their assigned colors. Then, right-click your calendar in the navigation pane, select Calendar Properties, and carefully review the default color settings. This methodical check should help you restore your preferred calendar appearance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.